Okay, so this is the parts in India. So what is inside? But we forgot the checklist in part 1. So we have this happy sad face in India, guys. So we got this in part 1. But this is a part 2 now, guys. So I hope I get the monkey noodle. No, I don't. I think I want to get the. I don't know, guys. So let's see what I got. Okay. Oh, the legendary, but I don't want to open it. I want the black one, so let's get the black one. Okay, so this is the black one, so let's go open it. I don't have any scissors, but I don't want to scissor this, so yeah, let's go open it. Okay, so I open it now, and let's see what I got. I got a marble mash. Wow. But it's a DIY. I like it. Okay, so let's open some more. I want some more. But guys, I'm gonna show you this. Look at that, guys. We have a sticker. Let's go get it. Ooh, we have a sticker. Look, we have a heart. Oh, it's an ice cream and ice cream and ice cream again. And what is this? Oopsie. Ooh, we have a donut. Oopsie. Okay, guys, so let's put the sticker here. Okay, guys, so I got this blue and I want open some more. So let's open this one. Ooh, it's easy to open. What is this, guys? Oh, what is this? It's a squishy. I like it, guys. So we have 3 of them. Okay, guys, bye. Thank you for watching this video. Wait for part 3. Don't forget for following my TikTok and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys.